Best YouTube automation niches for beginners in 2025. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the first niche that we have on our list is AI storytelling. Now, this is a popular niche. It's really easy to get into. The content is really easy to create. As you can see, the thumbnails are all made with AI. The video itself is literally the same image that they used in the thumbnail with a little bit of movement. The captions at the bottom, a little filter over it, and an AI voiceover. So this channel is 100% being produced with AI. They're doing almost 6 million views per month. And if we check the RPM, it's close to $6. They probably made around $37 last month. We have another channel right here doing 3.4 million views per month. They made around $16,000 last month. Here is another AI storytelling channel, fully monetized, doing around 4.3 million views per month. They did almost $30,000 last month. So this niche is really good, especially for beginners to get into, because the content is so easy to create. As you can see, this is just like the other channel where it's just an image, some type of little effect or an overlay, the captions at the bottom, and an AI voiceover. And he just did 600,000 views in 12 days, 300,000 in 2 weeks, a million, and this is the same thing. It's a fabricated story. It's all made up. So $30,000 from AI videos. That sounds like a really good niche for beginners to get rich in 2025. All right, so coming up next, we have car news. This channel right here is doing around 3 million views per month. Started in July, and he's already on 100,000 subscribers. Really easy to make content about cars right here. 17 worst cars that no one buys. Things you should never do in an automatic car, like just stock footage with some stock images and an AI voiceover. Really easy to make content. So in the last 30 days, they've made anywhere around $20,000. Could be more. Okay, so the next niche is kind of different. It's AI songs made out of top comments. So what people do is they'll find any kind of viral post on TikTok or Instagram, and they'll take the top comments from that post, use AI to turn it into a song. And that's what's going on here. And you can see how many views they're getting. It's showing 31 million, but some of that is going to be from shorts. It does say that it's monetized, but the RPM is kind of low. And since a lot of those views are coming from shorts, this isn't going to be very accurate. Here's another channel right here that's doing it. 2 million views, and they only have 2 shorts. So that 2 million views has to be coming from their long form. You can see right here, 500,000 in 8 days. 600,000 in 2 weeks. Same thing with this one. The RPM is going to be really low, but you can make up for it by adding affiliate links or, donate links like buy me a coffee. You could also try to put some drop shipping products. That would be another way to kind of make up the revenue, because you're getting 2 million views and 31 million views. If you had some affiliate links or even some drop shipping products, you would be able to make more money off this. You can see another channel right here. They literally just started February 16th, 2025, and they're already getting a little bit of traction. All right, and next on our list, we have the WNBA niche. Now, this niche is perfect for beginners because the content is really easy to make. If I hover over it, you can see it's just some clips and some images of the players that are being discussed with an AI voiceover. And then these basic, really easy to make thumbnails. If we check the channel stats, they did almost 3 million views last month, even though the WNBA season isn't even active right now. One of the reasons that he's still able to get views, even though the season isn't active, is mainly because there's a lot of drama tied around the WNBA. As you can see right here, he has an outlier, 300,000 views in 5 days, and it's talking about Angel Reese being furious at Caitlin Clark for selling out an arena in 36 minutes. There's a lot of back and forth between Angel Reese and Caitlin Clark, a lot of drama in the WNBA, so this always performs really well. That's why I'm recommending it for beginners. It's really easy to make the content, and it's always going to be trending. The new WNBA season starts in May, so any beginners that wanted to get into this early, You could easily start your channel now. Checking the analytics, they made almost $12,000 last month. Okay, coming up next on our list, we have economics. Now we have this channel right here, Financial Flash. As we can see, they're doing almost 4 million views in the last 30 days. Most of the videos are just basically talking about what's going on in the economy. As you can see right here, talking about different restaurants, different stores, prices of food, anything that's going on in the economy. Right here, 2 weeks, 3.4 million views on one video. Really easy to make. It's going to be an AI voiceover with some stock footage and maybe a couple other images here and there. Some news clips. This is really good for beginners to get on because there's always going to be some trending things that are going on in the economy. You know, inflation is always going to be going on. So this topic is never really going to die out. This is pretty evergreen, and you can easily get in there and make some viral content really quick. As we can see, this channel right here barely started in February of last year. If we check, they got a pretty good RPM with $6. So in the last 30 days, they made around $25,000. All right, so the next one we have on our list is the Amish niche. This channel's been able to grow to 150,000 subscribers, 2.5 million views in the last month. The videos are some stock footage with some images and AI voiceover, basically just kind of teaching people about the Amish lifestyle and the way Amish people live. They're able to get a lot of views. They even have another channel in Spanish talking about the same thing. And if we check the analytics, it looks like the RPM could be kind of low. So assuming if it's only $2.50 in the last month, they've made around $7,000. But as we can see, they've only posted 14 videos. So 14 videos to make 6,500 is not too bad. Okay, so the last niche that we have on our list is going to be the philosophy slash self-development niche. This channel just started in December 2024. He already has 80,000 subscribers with only 45 videos, 3 million views, 2 million of those views in the last 30 days, $5 RPM, so he made almost $7,000 last month. Really an easy niche, especially for beginners to create this type of content. As you can see, all it is some AI images with a filter or like an effect over it with the captions at the bottom and an AI voiceover. So he got 2 million views last month on some 100% AI videos. Here's another channel right here, 44,000 subs with only 20 videos. And we can see he barely started last month, February 5th, 2025. He's already got 1.6 million views. Same type of content, just some little filter with some AI images and captions in the middle. For some reason, it says that this one is not monetized. This one over here is monetized, so this still would be a good niche for beginners to get into in 2025.